Hello, good morning. Welcome to our section. This particular section, I will be showing you this new technology, and I want you to actually take this as serious as you can because it's the future. And I thank God that you are, part of the people that get this information early as a cause of this video. Okay, this particular program or this particular technology was, let's say, like let's say 3 months old now, and there is making a lot of waves in the technology world. Make people are making a lot of money from it because it simplified everything. For example, if you are the kind of person that you like technologies and but issue of coding, running some programs actually difficult for you, because you are unable to calm down to write the code by yourselves and all that. If you want to be a programmer or you want to at least, even though you are not a full-time programmer, but there are some certain things that you at least you need to write a simple code to implement it by yourself. Find it so difficult. So this video is for you. Okay, watch this video carefully and then subscribe to the channel so that you get update on what we are going to be bringing out as far as this particular technology is concerned. Okay, this is called Chat GPT. Chat GPT. Okay, uh, I came across this website or this technology recently, and then today I was going through my YouTube, and then I come across this random video on that same uh, technology, and then I feel like I really need to show my people this particular so that we can actually take advantage of it as fast as possible and then be part of it and make use of it. Okay, the Chat GPT is an AI site that help you answer all the questions that come to your mind. Any question at all, it will answer it. If you want to write a code, it will write it for you. So let's just watch this random video and then we'll maybe do some practical approach. We'll go to the site and then do some practical approach to that at the end of this video. Okay, so let's just watch what Reno is saying about that technology, that website, that AI technology. Okay, thank you, and let's watch it together.
Thank you for joining me on my masterclass. Now, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make literally thousands of dollars, but it doesn't have to be thousands of dollars. It could be any amount of money. It could be as much as millions, billions, even. The possibilities are endless from Chat GPT. Chat GPT. Now, Chat GPT is the biggest new thing in the world today, not just in tech, not in business, not in anything at all. It's just so phenomenal. The potentials are limitless. Now, ChatGPT, what does it mean? It's GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Now, it's would I say, a kind of technology that we will call AI, artificial intelligence. It was launched by OpenAI, a San Francisco-based company, in November of 2022. So it's about 3 months old. It's still pretty much new. But here's the thing, it's so brilliant. And the brilliance of it is that it's a chat box. And in this chat box, it's almost like you're having a spiritual counselor, a spiritual guide that tells you everything that you need to know about almost anything. And people are using it basically for business. You can use it for anything. You can use it for sports development. You can use it for acting. You can use it for writing. Although, that may lead to plagiarism, so you got to be careful. But people are making money, literally millions of dollars, thousands of dollars from ChatGPT. And how are they doing that? Because you can ask this chat box basically anything. Like, for instance, how do I start a business delivering flowers? Or how do I start a hair salon? And then it's going to tell you with the precision is almost scary. It's going to tell you with precision what you need to do. It's going to give you a business plan. It's going to tell you how to put that business plan into action. It's going to tell you how to execute it. It's going to tell you what you need from the government, like in terms of permits, in terms of licenses. It's going to tell you how to get a shop, It's going to tell you even the websites to go to lease a shop or to lease a space, an office space, and then it's going to tell you, like maybe the kinds of agreements you need to go into with your landlord. It's going to tell you about how to come up with a business plan. It's going to tell you about market saturation or market suitability. It's going to tell you the best places to start that business based on demand and supply. It's going to tell you how to come up with SPAs, which are sales purchase agreements. It's going to tell you how much to cost, how much to charge, build your costing. Literally everything. I mean, it's not going to leave anything to chance. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. And here's the thing, making money is about creating value. And then after you've created value, you market that value for money. And then you become rich, you become wealthy because you have created value and then you find a way to market that value and then you become wealthy. Now, it used to be in the past that creating value and marketing that value was very difficult to do because you needed to hire consultants, like Deloitte, like Knight Frank, like the various Standard and Poor's, and then it's going to cost you a lot of money, like maybe literally millions of dollars, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars, because they've got to do feasibility studies, they've got to do researches, they've got to go and find out about how to get different licenses, different, like pay different governmental fees, and then do a lot of stuff. All of that is now being done for you by Chat GPT. And initially it was free, but now I mean, they've seen how the company has just blown up. OpenAI, because of just this ChatGPT, this tool, the value of the company has skyrocketed from something like maybe about 12 billion, and it's now worth about 30 billion dollars, all in the space of just 3 months because of this tool. A lot of people, accountants, consultants, professional web designers, different people are now scared that this tool is going to drive them out of business. So there's a lot of lobby in Congress right now to just get this out of the marketplace, but it's going nowhere. And you do not have to speak English to be able to use ChatGPT. You don't have to speak English. It's available in multiple languages. You can be German and use it. You can be French and use it. I think that they even have it in Swahili. So it's just an amazing tool. Now here's the thing. Anybody can get it. You go on the Google Play Store or you go on the App Store, you download it. You're going to see it on the screen, you download it, and then, it's going to just walk you through, and then you pay the subscription. Now, here's the thing. I don't like saying this. However, if you're in a third world country, maybe like what they're asking for, about $4 a week is a lot of money for you. If you're in a country like Cambodia, Vietnam, Nepal, Bangladesh, Tanzania, $4 might be a lot of money for you. A lot of these countries, people exist on less than $2 in a day. What you can do is you can say, yes, you accept their terms, but then it's a trial. So you cancel before the trial is over, and then for the first 3 days, it's going to allow you to use the system, and then you get what you want out of it, and then you cancel. And then when you begin to make money, you can come back on, and then you can pay for it. But here's the thing, the New York Times has said that this is the best thing to happen to business forever.
Okay, thank you guys for staying around to watch this video. Okay, it's an open AI platform. Okay, that help you answer a lot of questions. Okay, in every aspect. Okay, you can make a lot of money from this. As I said, this 2023 is the year of cashing out. Okay, that is our goal, to cash out from technology, to cash out from digital skills, to cash out from any skills that you are doing. Okay, any online presence, anything that you're doing, we are going to cash out this year. Okay, so now this is another avenue for us to actually cash out. If you are not doing crypto, if you don't want to involve yourself in crypto, you can actually go into this chat GPT full time. Like, what I mean by full time, and get into it, like understand every aspect of it, so that it make your work easy. For example, you can pick a skills like maybe a web design, and it will not be as usual of difficult thing you have to sit down and be coding or try to use WordPress or anything that you want to use. this particular approach with this Chat GPT. Now, what you need only is to understand the basic. What I mean by basics are how you can just combine those code that you be getting. So what you need to do is just to write how to design a website for so purpose. Okay, and then it will bring out the code for you. If you want to build a particular algorithm or a particular applications or plugin, just you need to do just type the code. If you are using a Python code, if you are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C++, depending on any language that you are using, the Chat GPT will definitely give it to you, and the accuracy is high. You understand? That is one of the amazing things about this particular platform. The accuracy is high. I remembered there's one particular uh, code that we use in our office for generating bearing for 2 points for survey purpose. Okay, and then that code to come up with that Python code at least it takes me more than 3 months researching on it because we don't normally use QGIS to do that particular task, but I was asked to do it with QGIS, so I have to try as much as I could to come up with that. It take me up to 3 months to actually do that. But this particular platform, I just write how to generate bearing for 2 points. You see, it automatically write down the code for me. You understand? So if I know about this particular platform that time, definitely within a day I could have solved that issues. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you guys, 2023, another great opportunity for you to you know, build one platform that can generate money or income for you. Okay, thank you for watching these videos. In the next video on this Chat GPT, I will be showing you the the website itself, okay, the platform itself, okay, so that we will see how it works and then how you can use it. And then if you have any particular thing, let's say you want to write a proposals for a particular business, or you want to develop a business plan, or you want to write anything, you want to write a project or anything, and if you find it difficult to do as well, you can actually drop it on the comment section, and then I will send you a video on how you can actually do that using the Chat GPT, or I'll produce a video based on that. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel and let's cash out in this 2023. Thank you. Bye bye.